discussing about the virtual reality and what are the importance of the virtual reality. So here the today's video agenda is virtual reality. First, we have to discussing about the introduction of the virtual reality and what are the importance of the virtual reality and what are the opportunities in the upcoming the future of the development and what are the excitement things we are going to learn in this particular video and what are the applications like in the education training like medical medicines like trainings, so in military purpose as well as in like in hospitality. We are going to discussing all the topics about the virtual reality and what are the future jobs like the game developer, 3D artist, 3D artist, 3D development. These all things are we are going to discussing about in this video. So here first we have to learn about the virtual environment. A software, like a virtual software is created by the softwares, and virtual environment is created by the software is called as a virtual environmental. Like I think all of you know about that particular line. Environment, like here one assume that an environment is created by the software using the set of instructions means is a software, and software is created by using the virtually. These are called as a virtual environment. Like when we have to make a headset using the experience, I will show you another video. So here another slide. Here virtual reality, like a person is wearing the headsets and he is making very good experience while using the headsets. Very good experience. These technology used anywhere. We can sit simply corner of this room or terrace of the building, wherever you want to sit. Like when we have to wearing the headsets and feel amazing experience about the virtual reality. These are called as a virtual reality. Like a technology used to make a person experience any virtual environment from anywhere. These are called as a virtual reality. So here the importance of the virtual reality is like here here look at the slide. Here a person is simply seated on this corner of this room and he is enjoying with the roller coaster like very excitement. Like he is making one headset. He is wearing headsets and enjoying a lot about the roller coaster and simply seated on his room. He is enjoying a lot while using the headsets. This is the importance of the virtual reality, and I will show you another example. Like when we have to play cricket, like here the WCC2 match is there. I think all of you play the WCC2 match uh, in mobile phones. Like when we have to wearing the headsets and we can play using the virtual reality, like using the headsets. Here one example is there. A man is person, he is wearing the headset and enjoying a lot about these virtual experience. And I will show you another examples of these headsets. So here, these are the wearing the headset. We can enjoy a lot of these things. So these are headsets are the two types, and 6 degrees of freedom and 3 degrees of freedom. We are to discussing about all these two. So 3 degrees of freedom means like here, as in look at my hand. Here, 3 degrees of freedom means like front and back, left and right. These things are possible in the 3 degrees of freedoms in the virtual reality, like front and back, left and right. And another 6 degrees of freedom means front and back, up and down, left and right. Like 6 degrees of freedom means rotating 360 degrees. In the 3 degrees of freedom, only front and back we can experience, like front and back, left and right. We can assume has only these things. Like 6 degrees of freedoms examples like cardboard, Samsung, Queer VR, and 3 degrees of freedom means HTC Vive, Oculus Rift, Oculus Quest. These things are very excitement about the future of these developments, and like it is. Like a person can be like here in present generations, the peoples are using the mobile phones like 70 to 80% of the peoples are using the mobile phone. In the upcoming futures, the peoples are using only headsets, like 90%, 90 80 to 90% of the peoples wearing only headsets by using this virtual reality. So it is a major importance of the virtual reality. So here, Here the 6 degrees of freedom means it we can move the 360 degrees, and 3 degrees of freedom means we can move just left and right, front and back only. Here amazing example of this 3 degrees of freedom and 6 degrees of freedom. Okay. And what are the applications in the entertainment training, like when we have to play cricket, like in simply seated on the roller coaster enjoying a lot of the all these things. I think all of you show you these entertainment things. And in training purpose, like a trainee is a simple trainee is there, and he don't know about, like in a hospital, he don't know about how to treatment a patients using the how to how to teach and how to experience about all these things. But he want to learn about the all those things of the development of the like doctors. He want to learn about all these things by using the virtual reality. We can assume as in a person, he's like he's in virtually, and he is enjoying a lot about the to doing to making the person has a training about the good experience about that. So he's enjoying a lot about the true training, like in the education purpose. In education purpose, we can make has a 3D model, 3D models. We can assume the 3D models and experience as a good, like in 3D models we can learn about the all visuality. Like we have to watch about recently Avatar movies, like they are making 3D has a good experience. We can't forget about all those big scenes. Like in education purpose also same, like we can in 3D models of here the earth, Mars. We can simply what are the gravitation means. These all these things are we can assume by using the education purpose. Like in driving, I think all of you know about the Black Panther movies. He's simply seated on his corner of his room, but he's driving a lot about the thing. So this is an amazing experience about the driving in military purpose also. Persons and enemies are there, like how to shoot and how to protect from them, and we can learn about all those things about the in military purpose. So okay. And what are the job roles? Like job roles are the very in the future job roles. These are the 90% of the job roles are there in the virtual reality. In the game designer, game developer, 3D